Guys, welcome back to Lifeconleidy. Bienvenidos a mi canal. I did not prepare anything to go to the beach today. I also went to bed very late and I left dishes here in the sink. So I need to wash all these dishes. I had to wake up extra early so I could do that. I'm so tired. So vengan con nosotros para la playa. My next project is the diaper bag. The water in Ocean City typically is very cold, so I highly doubt that we're actually gonna swim. However, you know, we're going to the beach, so just in case I need to take extra clothes, you know, for the little one. I have these little swim trunks. I think that I'm gonna change him so he can go in these swim trunks. Creo que para el grande, estos chores con esta camisa, por si bañan en el agua para que se cambie después. Y ahí el pequeño, estos chores con esta camisa. Y creo que eso es todo porque se van a ir con la ropa de baño por cualquier cosa. Esa es la que yo uso para mis niños. Es buenísima. Bueno, por lo menos a mí me gusta para ellos. No sé si ustedes la han probado. Pero si saben de una que es buena, también me la recomiendan en los comentarios, por favor. Gracias. We are on our way to Ocean City now. If you're from Maryland, do you know the name of this bridge? So if I didn't let you guys know, we are here in Ocean City because they have the air show today. That's going on around noontime, but it's been a while since we were last here, so I'm excited. We have arrived. This is the mini golf place. We are parked and now we are walking to the beach. We're gonna go find a spot over there. It's a little hot out here, but oh my gosh, the prices for the parking here are ridiculous because of the air show. I've never been here where parking is $100, over $100. That is insane. What is going on? But somehow we managed to get free parking and pretty close by. There's a lot of people here, and I'm assuming it's because of the air show. Yeah.
You get closer to the bathroom.
Yeah. Ah, pues yeah. Sí. Mm-hmm. That's a smart idea.
Sí.
¿Estás feliz? ¿Sí?
¿Vas a nadar?
Sí.
¿Cómo le vas a hacer? Así, mira, hazle así.
¿Cómo le vas a hacer? Swim. That is so cool. So we're out here just hanging out. Huh? Sí, Papa. Cheers.
Where's yours?
¿Qué estás tomando, Lucas? ¿Cómo se llama eso? No, because that's not supposed to be the air show. It's not. That's, or maybe
They should do it over there where everybody can see.
or maybe it's like the
No,
con.
the jets are gonna be over there.
Oh, okay.
Maybe
I
it's
was
like
gonna say,
you know,
'cause
maybe
my
it's like a maybe
No,
it's
that
like
was
a
it.
concert.
Imagine.
That was it.
Well, all right, grab your shit, let's go.
Imagine if it's probably like a concert. You know, they're opening the show.
Oh yeah.
Mhm. That's what it is.
That's the intro.
Yeah, that's the intro.
They want everybody to break their necks.
Woo! What are we clapping for?
I don't know.
I think they landed.
Oh, no es.
Ahí déjalo.
Sí, ahí déjalo ese. Bravo.
You know what makes it sweeter?
¿Cuál?
That we won last night.
That
Ah,
one.
sí.
That we won last night 4-1.
Yeah.
No, ¿cómo se dice?
Helicóptero.
Helicóptero. Helicóptero.
Un helicóptero.
How you say it?
Helicóptero, bo.
Helicóptero.
Sí.
Decí helicóptero. Decí. Yeah. He said avión.
Bueno, señores y señores, aquí estamos en el show de los aviones. Está por comenzar. Miren esto.
Y se deja caer.
Uy. Oh, yeah. Where's that? Oh. Oh, wow. That's crazy.
I'd be in that joint, holding it tight as shit.
That's crazy. Wow. ¿Ves los aviones, Lucas? ¿Te gusta? Sí.
¿Tú te quieres montar? This hand is too hot.
I think that we thought that it was gonna be like kind of chilly, but honestly,
yeah.
if the temperatures would have been higher, it would have been too hot.
Yeah, it's
So
nice
right
and
now
hot.
it's perfect.
But you think if we get in the water and then come out, it'd probably be like a little chilly. Not chilly,
I-
but like
Ocean City water is known to be like freaking freezing. Yeah. So I think that it's gonna be cold regardless. But I think we can still dip our toes. I mean, I don't know.
bro, the beach looks so far though. I can't even see the water.
I know. Elías. ¿Cómo la está pasando usted? ¿Ah?
Súper, decirle.
Súper.
Mira, ahí viene el avión, mira.
I'm out here trying to put this little one to sleep. No se duerme este niño. Pero ya el show de aviones ya comenzó.
I am Kelly White. No competition on my mind. I'm a super duper star. Shooting like a rocket star. Shooting like a star. I'm a
Decirle gracias, tía. Wow.
Mira. Wow.
Did you ever finish?
No.
That jaw is probably
No, he
nasty.
said no, but he said after he ate, he was gonna chug all three of them.
Oh,
You do remember saying that, right?
so what's going on?
No, espérate que todavía tiene migajas en la boca. He's swallowing the migajas right now.
Aquí estamos en el show de los aviones. And
Activo en directo.
el primo Kevin's about to chug that right now. That's a lot of pressure.
¿Sí? Señal, Lucas, señal.
It is so loud. Oh wow, I'm super zoomed in.
If I was to go to war,
El
I'd be
ruido de
scared.
estos aviones es
If I was to go to war, I'd be
súper
scared.
fuerte. Al principio me asustaron. Honestamente no sé si me van a escuchar, pero es bien fuerte el sonido de esos aviones. Ahorita vamos a caminar para la playa a tocar el agua. Aquí está todo el avión. Lucas.
pay for that type of content.
And that's how you conclude the air show. Así se concluye el show de aviones.
What's this mean?
Pensé que había terminado. What does this mean? Oh, reloj. Clock it, reloj. Clock it, reloj.
Come on, we gotta do it with this.
Clock it. We are changed, and now we are gonna walk the boardwalk and look for a place to eat because we are hungry and tired and sleepy and all of the above. ¿Cómo te sentís ahora? Elías? No. Uy, te va a comer, te va a comer el pájaro. Anda, Lucas. Te va a comer el pájaro. Así se está mirando el boardwalk.
We gotta shine, shine, shine. I flex, I grind.
So we finished eating and the place was 10 out of 10. I didn't even grab the name. Did you get the name of the place where we ate? Something bowl, but it was really good. This concludes the end of the vlog. See you guys later. Los vemos en la próxima. Adiós.
I'm living so free. Nobody features me.